Hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you guys for watching from, the Pandora's Wallet subscribers and the DJ15 token holders. I am live here for you guys, and we're going to be doing today. What we're going to do is do some shopping. We're going on a shopping spree. It's time to load up on some alts, or at least set some buy orders, at the very least, on some alts, where we could see the dominance come back down and or go back up. Actually, sorry, that would be going back up, right? And we want to capitalize on that movement, of course, should the dominance start to dominate higher, and we want to buy some free cheap cryptocurrencies. Let's just start looking at some coins. Start here. We can start right here with MATIC, right? You can see that MATIC is, if we want to get some, right, 61.8 is where we want to start. But I'm going to buy. I'm interested in buying at 78.6. The reason why is because you can see that this lines up perfectly with, some resistance level, and I think that this level. Let's see if hopefully there's another. No, figures. Okay. Well, I like the 61.8, but let's just bring this out right here. See what it says here. 78.6. Sorry, that was 78.6 up here. And let's see here. Let me bring it out a little bit further. Yeah, that's a problem here. Yeah, there's a big problem, guys, here. Right, really effectively. The 88.6 is where this thing will probably come back to. So yeah, I'm not going to bother buying anything else but the 88.6 on this particular coin, because, well, it went too far too fast. And because it's a new coin, it went sideways pretty much for a long time. You can see that's where it based, right? And you can see it tried to pump, and it pumped only to that point. Once it broke above that point, it started to base and held the trend, hold above the other pumps here, and so that gave it a base. So now, wouldn't be surprised if we come all the way back down to this area to see if we could test this area, to see if we can hold it and continue up again. So that's where I'm interested in buying some more MATIC. Now, is there a guarantee that it comes all the way back down? No, there isn't. But I'm not willing to waste my money on that. On a too high of a value, because I've really gotten a lot of money out of this, and I don't want to lose that. So let's just go with that. I'm interested in buying down here. I'm gonna just raise it up a little bit, so I can actually buy upwards. There we go. And so with the stop loss, I'm gonna actually buy upwards on this particular coin. Okay, that shopping is done. Yeah, if you're missing this, you're watching this after the fact, right? Only the Pandora's Wallet subscribers are getting this. So if you want to do this, we're going to be going shopping a lot this week for the Pandora's Wallet subscribers and the DJ15 token holders, Vet and Luna. Ooh, wow, did it ever come back hardcore? Okay, didn't get my second double on this. All right, again, unfortunately, we're going to have to really say, okay, oh, you know what? It's already touched the 78.6 and reversed from it. Yeah, you know what? I'm willing to be patient and wait down here. Yeah, again, right? Not willing to spend I'm gonna spend the most amount of money down here and be patient with that. and let it come to me. Come to Papa. All right, so that's where I am buying. Let's take a look at Luna. Oof. Vaboosh. It's like flushing the toilet, man. Jesus. Everything just got crushed. Absolute crushing. I don't have much of this. So I don't have any of it, actually. And I missed the boat when it took off. So you can see, oof. Break. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's got to retest all the way back here. Oh, brutal. Nothing looks good, man. Oh my goodness. Wow. Everything's got serious retests way back. This thing probably even break the 88.6. And yeah, that's just the way it is. Okay. Let's go over to HBAR. Don't look just like the sound of this, but because it V-bottomed, I bet you this is like, that was manipulation at some sort of level. So I think they'll hold the line here, then let it come back here, but it's most likely where it's gonna go. Yeah. So I'm gonna add to my holdings. I'm gonna nibble a little bit. At this level here. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more. Right, I'm gonna load it up a little bit. Load it a little heavy. Gonna go heavy at the 61.8, at the 88.6. Right at the 88.6 and I'm going heavy. Going heavy. Okay. Really, Bitcoin? You have to go like that, really? You have to go out like that. Do you? Jesus. Yeah, it's not good. This is not good. I mean, I told you guys that the odds are, I knew we were coming back down. That short was probably the smart thing to do, even though, you know, it didn't look like you should jump into the short if it touches back at its entry point. Clearly, it was the clear winning strategy to take anyways, right? Look at that. We came into your entry point, giving you a heart attack, and then vaboosh. We're almost at the friggin' target. Look at that. I mean, it was obvious that was the case. Oh boy. Well, that's it. Right? If you want to trade this, right, there's probably a long coming, right? Because it's not going to break the bottom just yet. Problem is, because this long could, because it's really, you're going to have to go waiting for the time frames, waiting for it to come down here, and then decide on a long, instead of like just going a Hail Mary, because it's like this thing could crack these levels and still bounce back up, right? But there is going to be a bounce down here, because it's not going to be it's not going to break this level here just yet. It's coming, just not, this is too early, just way too early. So we should have another bounce, right? Not so high, maybe up to 38.2, and then maybe that will be the final straw. And we're dead. 17K. Here we come. Wow. Absolutely brutal. Sorry to interrupt in the middle of the stream, but head over to blockfi.com/DaVinciJ15 and you could earn $250. Also 8.6% on your crypto. Of course, know your risks, and you'll be able to trade crypto over there. Also get access to a credit card, allow you to spend your crypto. Links are in the description below. ETH. Well, we're gonna have to take a look at that ETH, man. Across, but I don't want to because I'm a fool. I should have taken profits on ETH, right, at 80 because that was my target, and I didn't do it. And look at this. It's going to absolutely crush our hearts, isn't it? Crush us for that behavior. Well, at least the 61.8 we might get to the 61.8 just below it right here before it actually bounces again. So that's a positive thing, right? We're getting down, coming back down here, but wow, absolute wow. That could have been like, I mean, it's still not too late to like leave Ethereum for Bitcoin right now, but we are a little bit late to that selling party. And there's only downside here. You can see, right? We've vaboosh, bounced back up. Right, we had the, let's just see here, let's do the fibs from all the way back to the top here. You can see we went to the 61.8 and failed. So we're gonna come back to the 61.8 down here and bounce. All right, so DGB. DJB, got some, you know me. Down with DJB. Yeah, wow, got really crushed from the top here. You can see they're not interested in letting this thing break higher. When it does, it should be some fireworks. Ooh, look at that. We see that we will have some resistance, some serious resistance down here. So let's get some DJB. I've already committed to too much DGB though. I wonder if I should do it. I'll lower my average. What the heck? Should have done it before, right? Because then I probably would have had sold half on a double. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna be cheapskate. Stink bid. We come all the way down here. I'll put in a buy up order. That's it. There we go. Done. Let's go on to Maker, M-A-K, Maker DAO. Right, and see how Maker is doing. Oof. Oh, Maker has topped out heavily. Don't like that V bottom down here, so I'm going to say that that's where we're going to be buying. Look at that. I would say what the heck? Why is there a buy order on this? Maybe on the other exchange. Cancel. Yes. There we go. And so we're going to move the buy order. Stop limit. Right to the 78.6. Wonder how much Maker I've got. Why do we not have a sell order on this? Oh, it's because we sold half on a double and did not set the next sell order. Right here. There we go. And our buy order. Right down here, a little bit of a stink bid. And there we go. Okay. Okay. Not so bad. Can't complain. I thought you would at least jet off with the rest of the alt season, but no, it didn't. Kind of weird. Well, at least it's going to, like, maybe we'll have, this means that we might have a sooner alt season for this thing. And July-August time frame, so that's going to be a good thing to have. If not, it'll come into the late season after Bitcoin tops out, and yeah, this thing could pop off like major popcorn. And yeah, you want to get some butter. Where is the butter at? Well, we have to say that this is the definite bottom here. I don't think we're breaking that. But we could break through here. Yeah, it's going to be difficult, actually. We might come back and test this level here, but I don't think we're going to... Yeah, there's so much powerful buying that level here that I'm thinking we should put our buy orders there too. I think I'm overloaded. I'm overexposed. So I'm overexposed, and I'm not going to expose myself to more link. So I'm going to leave it at that. Wi-Fi. Again, bit overexposed, but if you want to get some, right, it already almost hit the 88.6, so most likely that's where we're heading back to retest, and then we have to wait for the off the races kind of deal here on Wi-Fi. Let's do some Binance Coin and ADA and then call it a day. Wow. Nosebleed section. Now, here's the amazing thing about Binance Coin. The odds of us getting this, buying this on the 61.8 is slim to none. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. Let's stick a buy order there. I mean, we should, right? But I bet you we will not get filled. The odds of us getting filled are low. Because Binance Coin did that to me last time in the last market bull run. They just hated it. They hated the 61.8 and never came back to it. Okay, so let's do one more major coin, ADA. What? What's it doing on the nosebleed section still? Okay. Look where the 88.6 is. Jesus. Jesus, look at these points here. All of them. Key levels. So the best thing to do is to nibble on each key level a little bit. And I'm gonna go full hungry down here. Full greed. Full greed. Okay, there it is. So that's, now you see where I'm buying. Now you're gonna all be jumping in front of me, everybody that watches this video. Let's see if I get any of these buys. So I'm gonna do a special video for the Pandora's Wallet subscribers later on or tomorrow or something like that. And if you want to check that out, right, you're going to have to head over to, you could head over to basically to davincij15.com and you can subscribe, and you'll get Pandora's wallet for free there, right? Just subscribe and join my Telegram group, and you'll have access to the videos. And yeah, it's really cheap now that Bitcoin's down, so you might as well do it, right? Join our group. It's really effectively on sale, so go right ahead. And then you'll be able to watch us trade and get inside my trades for altcoins, because I'm going to be loading up. I'm going to be buying, shopping. I'm going shopping, man. I'm going to pick up some serious alts, man. And I'm going to also pick up some, alts on Uniswap, 1inch, and all that kind of good stuff. So don't miss out on that as well. So you'll miss that if you're not a Pandora's Wallet subscriber. So once again, everyone, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.